Hello there! Today we are diving into the Canon Sure Shot TELEMAX, a camera from the 90s that's also known as the Prima Twin S and Autoboy Mini T in different parts of the world. It's loved for its easy use and amazing photos it takes, whether you are out on an adventure or capturing everyday moments. Let's find out what makes this camera a standout choice. When this camera hit the scene in September 1991, it quickly became popular for its sleek design and ability to switch between two lenses. You have a 48mm lens for those wide shots, perfect for landscape or group photos, and 70mm zoom when you want to get closer to the action or for portraits. This switch is super easy to use, making it a breeze to change perspective. Before you start snapping photos, you'll need to power the camera with a 3V CR123A lithium battery. This small but mighty battery can last through about 15 rolls of 24 exposure film, even if you're using the flash half the time. This means you can keep shooting without worrying about running out of power too quickly. Putting in your film is simple. Just open the camera back, place your film inside, extend the film leader to the marked line and close it up. The camera takes care of the rest, automatically winding the film so you're ready to capture your first shot. The TELEMAX has an impressive autofocus system that uses near-infrared beam, ensuring your photos are sharp and clear as close as 0.65 meters. That's about 2 feet, to far as the eye can see, like infinity. If you are too close, a green light warns you so you can adjust for the perfect shot. Let's talk about the lens and the aperture settings. At 38mm, the aperture opens up to f3.5, great for letting in a lot of light for brighter photos. If you zoom into 70mm, the aperture adjusts to f6, perfect for those detailed shots without overexposure. The camera's flash is pretty smart, automatically lighting up in dim conditions or when you are shooting against the light. But you are in control too, you can turn it off as needed. There's also a handy feature to reduce red eye, making your portraits look even better. And if you love being in the photos that you take, the 10-second timer is your best friend. Just set in, join your friends and smile. Plus, for those steady photoshops or group photos where you want to be in the picture, there's also a tripod mount to keep everything stable. With the Sure Shot TELEMAX, you are set for all kinds of photography adventures. Its easy to use lens switch and reliable autofocus to the efficient use of the battery power and versatile flash makes this camera perfect for capturing moments of your life. That's a wrap on the Canon Sure Shot TELEMAX. If you have enjoyed this video and want to discover more awesome cameras, don't forget to subscribe, hit the comments to tell me which camera we should explore next. Happy photographing and see you in the next video.